Okay, so what we're doing now is we're drilling through this board. We've got a caulk right here as the purpose of this job. And we want a real good, nice, clean caulk job. And this board that's been installed on this window here needs to just be brought back just a tad right here to where it don't bow out later or anything like that. But since we have to go through the wood and through the slate, we have to use a cement drill bit. And here we go, guys. There we go. Now there we have it. So we'll put a nail through there and just tighten it up and we'll be done. So here we go. Let's knock this out real quick. If not, if you nail this nail and you try to nail through this slate, you'll just break it. There we go. And we're in tight. So now when we caulk it, the job will come out real nice and the paint job will come out even better.